Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Android Studio download error that appears in red. Sometimes when you are installing Android Studio or downloading SDK components, you may see a red error message. Don't worry, this is very common and easy to fix. So let's get started. When the red error appears, first click Finish to close the installer. Next, launch Android Studio again. On the welcome screen, click on More Actions, then select SDK Manager. On the SDK Platforms tab, if your PC is powerful, you can select the latest version like Android 16.0, but if you're using a low-end PC, I recommend selecting Android 11.0 or Android 10.0 so the emulator runs more smoothly without lag. Go to the SDK Tools tab. Here, make sure you check Android SDK Build-Tools, Android SDK Platform Tools, Android Emulator, Android SDK Command Line Tools. After selecting them, click Apply, then click OK to start downloading the missing components again. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this process, because most of these errors happen due to network interruption. If the download still fails, you can also change the SDK download server from the SDK Manager settings and try again. Once the download is complete, the red error will disappear and Android Studio will work normally. So that's how you fix the Android Studio red error when SDK components fail to download. This problem usually happens because of an unstable internet connection, missing SDK tools, or interrupted downloads. By reopening the SDK Manager and installing the required components manually, you can solve the issue quickly. After completing these steps, you should be able to create virtual devices, run the Android emulator, and continue your development without any errors. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and share it with others who may be facing the same problem. If you still get the error, drop a comment below with the exact message and I'll help you fix it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.